was just a boy, you see, I pleaded had sympathy for me.
So hi everyone. So I'm gonna be doing a little bit of gameplay of me going back to playing Crush Crush, but I'm just gonna be saying it right now. There's no commentary. I'm gonna be saying it right now, but next time, whenever I decide to do another gameplay of it, I will try it and kind of do like a reset, somewhat slash with commentary, but I won't be doing a face cam when I do so. But yeah.
I tried to get pigeons banned from the city, but they're surprisingly popular.
Oh, nice to see you, darling. Here, try one of these new banana nut muffins. I call them going bananas. You know how to show a gal a good time, Sugar Cookie. I'll give you that. Mwah. Listen, I'm not one to beat around the bush, so I'm gonna speak true from the heart. I'm sweet on you, and I want to be your girl. You feel the same way? Peachy keen, Jellybean. We're sweethearts. I'm gonna go bake something because my heart is racing and only pastries will calm me. Y'all remind me of raw cookie dough. You look delicious, but you're probably bad for me. Well, aren't you a sight for sore eyes? I had an ungentlemanly customer earlier who made me so cross I almost cursed. Can you imagine? I reckon there's nowhere I'd rather be than where you are, darling. Thanks for a lovely date. You're sweeter than a strawberry meringue, darling. I'm not so good at receiving gifts, but I know how to say thank you. Mwah. I love hugging you almost as much as you love being hugged by me, Sugar Cookie. I reckon there's nowhere I'd rather be than where you are, darling. Thanks for a lovely date. You make me smile, sugar. And also a few other things I don't want to mention in mixed company. I hope you feel the same.
I'm so stupid. Why can't I do anything right? I wish I were dead. Oh, hello, Senpai. I was just rehearsing for the school play. Shakespeare, I think. Right. Gotta go. I hate pointless emails so much. Why do people send so many pointless emails? They actively sabotage my goodwill. You're giving this to me? What for? Do you want me to hold it so you can give it to someone later? What sort of video games do you like, Senpai? I like simulators. Senpai, you're here! Did you drop by just to chat with me? Oh my god. I gotta go. I'll be back. Wait here. No. Wait, don't do that. Please excuse me. Box cutter is a great name for a tool, because there's all sorts of boxes you can cut with it. Oh, Senpai, you have such a soothing voice. You should do video blogs to keep people up to date on what you're up to. Oh, thank you! I've always wanted one of these, for as long as I've known that they exist. I love the night. It's so much easier sneaking up on people in the darkness. I'm sorry I freaked out so bad the last time we spoke like this. Do you want to be friends? Oh, how wonderful! I mean, I love making friends. Good friends are what make life worth living. I wore my hair up today, but if you hate it, I can tear it down. Or off, whatever. I wonder what it's like to have emotions. I mean emoticons, instead of a face. I guess. I love fresh crab, especially crabs that see too much. Stuff that's none of their business. Senpai, I have something for you. It's a handshake. Put it there.
My oven was turned up on max when I got to work this morning. Lucky I caught it before there was a fire. Good gracious. I'll be churning some ice cream later if you want to give me a hand or two.
I find considerable mirth in the existential crisis provoked by attempting to reconcile free will with the determinative nature of physics. I need to increase overall favorability with you in order to perform several crucial experiments. Do you object? Excellent. We are now considered friendly rivals. I look forward to increased relational tension in our interactions. I find considerable mirth in the existential crisis provoked by attempting to reconcile free will with the determinative nature of physics.
Y'all remind me of...
I wore my hair up today, but if you hate it, I can tear it down. Or off, whatever. Good afternoon, Senpai. Are you wearing a new cologne today? I mean, it's not like I make a point to smell you or anything. Senpai, I have something for you. It's a handshake. Good afternoon, Senpai. Are you wearing a new cologne today? So, the other day, a certain girl whom I won't name asked me if I had a crush on you. Isn't that crazy? I mean, could you imagine if I had a crush on you and thought about you all the time and dreamt about you at night? So embarrassing. Do you ever have dreams that inspire you to change your life and dedicate it to a single purpose for the rest of eternity? Aren't they romantic? Did you see that pigeon? They freak me out. I feel like they might take over the world someday. Oh, I just got a new kitchen knife with shark skin handle wrapping. Guaranteed not to slip, even when soaked in milk. Wow, what a nice gift!